We're at Freddy's now, and here is his Hellcat that he's kindly lended to us. Miracle. This is a cool car, and it's fast. Let's go into Freddy's workshop.
Hello.
Good vibes. Good vibes. Now, Freddy's already warned us that he says it's absolutely carnage in here because they were up till 1 AM getting the P1 ready and the Evo ready to go to SEMA. So the only way we can kind of pay him back is by cleaning it up. It looks like they were working around this area, and there's all these carbon fibre bits which definitely off the P1, so we definitely don't want to break them. We're going to have to organise stuff in a way because we're going to get the RS6 in here. But let's try and make it clean for Freddy. Let's clean up. Okay, cleaned up to an extent. We don't want to lose anything. Now we're worrying whether the RS6 is actually going to fit in between these two posts. It didn't work in DDE's ramp, but this one is angled differently, so will it fit? I guess we'll find out. One thing we did want to do whilst we're here is have a look at Freddy's Ferrari and his manual conversion, because we're struggling with ours. We're trying to find the OEM parts, but Freddy's done an aftermarket manual conversion, so maybe we can learn. Oh, look at the exhaust. That's sick. Look at all the little brackets. They're all different.
Wait, so that isn't like the manual?
Yeah, it is like the manual, but they like aftermarket ones. Where's the thing that holds the cables?
So if there's aftermarket ones, can't we get aftermarket ones?
Oh, look, yeah, look, it's got the bracket down there to hold the cables in, and it's like an aftermarket one.
Oh yeah.
Look, it's just here.
So can we get one of them?
We're gonna have to ask him. So at least we found out we can get them parts from somewhere, but they may be aftermarket. So perhaps we should speak to Freddy and see how much they are and where we get them, because we need them. Truck's here. I'm taking delivery of my latest hypercar.
What is it?
It's a hypercar, Matt. There's no steering.
You're buying a hypercar without steering?
Yeah, no steering, no brakes. It has an engine though.
I'm guessing it doesn't run if it hasn't got steering or brakes.
No, we're gonna find out. It's really good. No one's ever done it before on YouTube. Oh my, this is sketchy with no brakes, isn't it?
Yeah, this is gonna be...
If we don't stop the P1, it's going off there. Bearing in mind this thing has been in the sea, it's pretty clean. You wouldn't have known. You literally... Look at the electrical connectors. Look how clean that is.
So we've got all the way down there to push this £2 million car down.
To be fair, that was before the accident.
I'm filming this because we may be watching a McLaren P1 fail when it rolls off the back of there.
Shut up, man.
If the thumbnails of a P1 hanging off a trailer, then you know it went wrong.
Tony, we need you to catch the car if it falls off the back. Can you stand there for me? Thank you. Yeah, that's perfect. Hands up. Yeah, that's spot on. It's coming.
Tell me when we're close.
Oh, the whole trailer's flexing.
Scary. Absolutely scary. Oh no, I don't like it. I really don't like it.
Oh, but what if it pushes off the edge?
Oh, I don't like it. Oh my god.
We're gonna get pushed off the edge.
Good? Alright, we're good. Good.
Oh my god.
I don't like it.
We're literally right on the
I
edge.
really do not like that. Oh my god, poos fell out of there.
How much did you pay for your new car?
Oh, I got it cheap at 2 million.
Cheap at 2 million.
Yeah. Okay, so it's not my hypercar, but I'm gonna say this right now. One day I'm gonna get a hypercar. We're gonna clip this.
This isn't really a hypercar. There's no soul left in this one.
Oh. Controversial. Oh. If you're going to pick a hypercar to rebuild on the channel, what would it be?
Oh, I think it's is it 918 count as a hypercar?
Yeah, because it's the competitor to this.
Maybe that, or a Pagani.
If you got a 918, you could race it against this, and then you and Freddie can have a battle of the Trinity.
That would be cool. Maybe I just need to save up. Look at the wheels. Are they good or what?
They look nice.
Nice. Amazing. We're in the Valvoline squad now.
Part of the team.
Yeah, we're in the Valvoline squad. Maybe we get a hypercar and wrap it Valvoline. I told you I'm saving up. If I do 6 paper rounds instead of 5, I should be able to get it a bit quicker.
Slacking.
It's gonna be
push to the back of the garage again and not finish now. It's been to the show.
Oh, we're burning it. Oh my god.
I didn't say it this time.
Is this a Freddie diss track?
Yeah, it is a Freddie diss track. He can't defend himself.
Freddie, we love you, and this is all in fun. And this car is going to be the fastest P1, fastest McLaren on the planet. So
Why would it not be the fastest P1?
it's going to be the only one that's the fastest one. So it would be the fastest McLaren P1.
I think the sun's got to all of us. Right? The last time I seen this car, it was in a lot worse condition.
It had sand in it the last time we were
It
here.
did have sand in it, yeah. It did. And it was yellow. But now it's not. It looked like that. Thanks for your shop.
Did you go to school? Nice.
Baby.
Baby.
I don't know why I wrote that. Okay, so we're making progress of taking the engine out because we found that it's broken. You would have seen it in the main channel video, but what we're doing now, which you won't see in the main channel video, is putting the wheels back on and pushing the car outside so we get a nice thumbnail so it is clickable for people on YouTube to watch, because otherwise I have to take a thumbnail here and the lighting isn't fantastic and it's just a bit busy. So we're going to put the wheels on and we're going to roll it out. So it's an extra hour's work, half an hour's work just for YouTube, but that's what we do, putting in that work. Know what I mean?
What do you have to say about it, Tony?
Hard work beats talent.
Also, we're going to put the headlights in so it looks a bit more like a car. Seems stupid, it's how we do it. It's how I'm able to do this, by making videos. If I didn't make the videos, I wouldn't be able to do it. So we've got to put the work in to make the videos. You know what I mean?
Do you know what he means?
No.
I'm going to take the bonnet off as well, so you can see the exposure engine, because when you shut this down, it just looks like it's missing a bumper. So we're going to take the bonnet off, in it, my guy. Taking the thumbnail, looks quite cool. Sun's going down. We've got no crazy shadows on the car. It's looking sweet. It's cooling down a bit now in the evening, and it's nice. Get this thing, if at home, do you know when it's just dark, it's wet, the days are short and everything like that, I think you feel a bit like down, where it's nice to work out here. You have like more motivation because it's brighter, it's sunnier. It's just nice. It's just nice. And I'm so privileged to be able to do it, and that's exactly what I wanted to be able to do. And now we're doing it, so it feels kind of weird. Here's the RS6 with the headlights in and no bonnet. I think it'd be cool to drive it like that, but I just thought we do have to have the radiators on. But we could just drive it with no bonnet on, that would look cool. Bumper on, bonnet off. I reckon we go full bonnet off. Driving for the first drive.
And then we have flames.
Yeah, so we
Just cut the
redirect the exhaust to just come up.
Yeah, because that's what they do in America.
Yeah, that is quite funny actually. We could do that. Like maybe we do it so it goes onto the windscreen.
Yeah, so then when you're driving you can't see.
Yeah,
It's just flat.
and it's just black all the way up the windscreen. Here is Freddie's 675 LT resurrected, and Rex has just told us it now has, as per Freddie's video, 720S engine in it, which is tuned to 900 horsepower, and we're going to test it out. Sorry, Freddie. Sorry. Oh my god!
It's so rigid in here.
It's literally so stiff, isn't it? This is insanely fast. You can literally kill yourself in this. So fast. The roof scoop sounds nuts. Yeah, this car's sick. And that'll be me for today, because I don't want to write off Freddie's car. We're already building one McLaren, we don't want to build two. Now we're packing away after putting the engine in to the RS6 and realising that the starter motor is blown. We've got the starter motor and the solenoid off. It's been a eventful one, but I thought I'd show you sort of behind the scenes, what it's like. Look, everyone's here, we're chilling. And the workshop is absolutely carnage. GT3's over there, the McLaren's behind that, the S-Class is behind that. But this is what it's like. Everyone's vibing. It feels like 3 in the morning, but it's like 8. And yeah. But I'm sure everyone can relate to this working on the car late at night. Apart from this is just like the extreme because the workshop is insane and the cars we're surrounded by are just. This has become a norm, which is weird. It is what it is. We've just had a long day. Any words, guys, for our second channel?
Man landed on the moon.
That's been a conversation at the minute. The moon landing, and I'd like everyone to discuss in the comment section.
We're not discussing anything.
These guys are very patriotic. We want to find out whether we landed on the moon or not.
Yes.
I feel like.
Of course we did. Yes.
Now, my last name's Armstrong, so we have like a family thing.
Your uncle, huh?
Discuss in the comments. Discuss. Here she is, reunited with my GT3, the car that doesn't give up. No starter motor issues on this one. I just want to sit back in the seat and feel what it's like. See what I'm missing. Oh no, this car is actually really good. Like, I get good vibes sitting back in the seat.
Yeah.
Like I don't get like any PTSD like
Like the RS6.
yeah. Like I get really good vibes sitting in this seat.
Taylor the dragon in that. Oh. Give it a rev, go on. I think we're gonna have to take it out around the block.
Should we have a quick blast?
Go on then, let's go.
Freddie's done a few bits and bobs to it, PPF'd it, sorted out a few panel lines and everything, but it is still an absolute weapon. You know, I don't remember the pedals being that far over to the right, but just like, do you know, like the actual vibe of being in this car is just sensational.
This is the best car you've ever owned.
And the noise. The handling. I think the tyres must have gone through something. They're really slippy.
It's well slippy.
Oh. What a car this is. We're ready for a pure 992 GT. I've got to get one of these at home.
You have to.
I've got to get one of these at home. Like, if you're watching this and you didn't realise in the last video why I didn't bring it back, because it was too expensive to bring it back and permanently export it to the UK and I'll have a left-hand drive car. But I need to get one of these. If not, a GT3 RS. This is an unreal car. Like, it's so dialed, it's unreal. Oh my god, this car is so good. Oh my god, it's so good. Yeah, I've got an emotional attachment to this. The brakes are so good as well.
I think a donut in the car park to celebrate.
No, I mean, then it's Freddie's car. I don't want to abuse it. Oh my god, this car is so good. It's so good. You can't explain. There's no other way to like explain this car other than it's so good.
Whenever I get in this car, I just think this is the perfect car. Sounds good.
It's so good.
Looks good. Drives good.
I need a GT3 or a GT3 RS back at home.
A GT3 RS would be cool.
I want it in manual as well.
Yeah, 100%. Like the
Just so you
PDK 's
can
cool.
clutch kick
Yeah.
and get it sideways. I think the traction was on. Yeah, the traction was on, so I couldn't get it sideways.
It's
down
still
the corner.
sliding with the traction control on.
Can we
though.
go? Can we get a slide around the corner?
Yeah, let's get it
Okay,
slow around the
let's do it
corner.
slow around the
Oh, we're gonna have to go again. Oh. Freddie, if you're watching this, we're sorry, but we're going again. How many miles did we do in this?
Oh my god, it's only done 5,000 miles.
Oh.
I think these sides are just not heating up or something. Like they're really loose. It's on left, right. Oh my god. That is what's good about this car though. It's absolutely planted, but then when you don't want it to be, it's not.
Yeah! Oh my god.
This car's so good.
It just makes you look like a mint
I
driver.
know, yeah, it makes you look good without like being good.
Is he gonna go opposite?
Oh, this car's amazing.
What a car.
This is the best car.
You can take it home and won't tell Freddie.
Freddie, I think I need it back.
Wants a refund. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I need a refund.
Sorry, he wants a refund.
This is so good. I miss it, man. We need to get one. I don't think, like, I thought my Cayman S was good,
No.
but this is just different,
Different
isn't it? It's
level.
just different. It's just different. The Cayman S is good, but this is just like good. How do I turn it off? Oh, that's there.
Could be your alpha, could be your Romeo. Tell them boys back up, I ain't going nowhere. I'ma throw that back up, put it on your story so all your friends see it, everyone can see it.